It's Cos Finger, baby.
Listen. What's the word? What's the word? You already know the vibes, you heard. We outside, yes, sir. We the fuck outside, you heard. Oh, he turned it off. Woo! It's cold. The second I bring the camera out, they want to sit here and they want to stop, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. Sire. I love your jacket, bro. You look warm as shit, bro. You chillin', you feel me, with that little fur shit. You chillin'. It's cold as shit out here. I didn't think it was gonna be this cold, man. What's up, yo? Why y'all here? You feel me? Yeah? Yeah, we outside, yeah?
We outside.
Man, it's cold as fuck, bro. It's cold as shit.
The only thing warming me up right now.
Hey, yo. Who is it? What is against what?
Right is right. Right is right.
Right is right. I don't know if it's
But what is what against what? Fuck it, I got left. I got left. Fuck it, I got left. Oh shit! Oh shit!
That shit gave me goosebumps from head to toe.
That shit was wild, bro.
Shit, they enjoying it too.
Listen, we out here
Y'all want to
racing.
put some money on these drawers?
I got $1 on the left. Who got $1 on the right?
Oh, bro.
Somebody got $1 on the right?
Let y'all find $1 right now. Hold on.
EBT card. I got an EBT.
EBT. No, if it's EBT, I need $2. I need $2.
Put my curtain down.
Camino del viento, voy soplando aguardiente. You already know who I am. Yes, sir. Godzilla vibe.
What the fuck it is, man? We outside. You know the motto. It's your boy Godzilla Ball. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And make sure y'all subscribe to Pretty Tough Vibes. You already know what it is. We out fucking side, baby.
Listen, get my man to 1K, bro.
1K. Trying to get there, man. Trying to get there.
Godzilla Vlogs with a Z at the
Y'all see
end.
that shit, man? Right there with it. Right there.
He gonna come out with merch. When he come out with the merch, definitely get
All
that
that
merch.
shit,
Get
all
that
that
merch.
cool
Godzilla Vlogs, you feel me?
All that
Sub
cool
up,
shit.
sub up. He got great content, man. I'm telling y'all, like, listen, this thing right here, listen.
One of a kind, baby.
Listen.
Big Godzilla in the fucking building, you hear me? One-on-one. One-on-fucking-one.
Go, bro. cat. That's cat.
Mo.
How yo
He got
bro? How he beat the fucking the Dodge, but then the Durango beat him? That makes no sense, bro. That's crazy. Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Go. 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 That thing sound crazy.
Nah, he need to send his shit to Overkill Performance. That 1,000 horsepower shit.
Yo, it is cool. We outside. It's cold as shit, but we the fuck outside.
Yeah, that's right.
Listen, it's fucking freezing. I'm trying to be like him right now. This man look like he ready to go to the North Pole, you feel me? Oh, they racing again?
Listen, he got
Clear out the way, clear out the way! Y'all ready to go? Let's go, let's get this. Get this! Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And as I always say, what's the word? What's the word? You already know the vibes. We the fuck outside. Yes, sir.